great feeling that today we have completed 20 years of ACE Technologies. We would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every team member who has contributed towards the growth of the company, to all our seniors who have blessed us and who have guided us during this journey, to all our principals and friends, international friends who have supported us during these times, to all our customers as well as vendors who have supported us.
First of all, congratulations to all ACE family to achieving the 20th anniversary of ACE Technologies. Thank you for our elders' blessings and ACE family, each and every member, to support us to achieve this 20th anniversary. We thanks to all our customers for giving us support to achieve this milestone, and thank you to all the ACE family. Thank you very much.
Hi, ACE celebrates its 20th anniversary this year, and it's a real proud moment for all of us over here at ACE. Needless to say, we thank our customers who made this day possible. Even in this pandemic, with all its shortcomings and hardships, our customers supported us to surmount each one of them. And we thank our customers from the bottom of our hearts and hope we serve them for years to come.
We now look forward to the next phase of growth for the company with renewed energy and enthusiasm. And we do have a vision for the company to get the best international technology into India, as well as we have developed a lot of indigenous products which we would like to export throughout the world.
We were planning to celebrate our 20th anniversary at the forthcoming PMEC. Unfortunately, for the known reasons, we couldn't have the PMEC this year. So we had it in our own small way at our office. And we are also proud to say that we celebrate our 20th anniversary with Groninger themselves, who are celebrating 20 years of presence in India, in the Indian market. And also Stillmas, who celebrates 15 years this year along with ACE in India. And it is companies like these who have supported us over the last 20 years that we could achieve this beautiful day where we can proudly say that we are working with some of the best names of the world in the Indian market. It gives us great pleasure to enter into our 21st year, that is, we celebrate our 20th anniversary at ACE over the years, and it would be very difficult to summarize the entire journey in a nutshell, but it gives us pleasure and pride to say that the people who have worked with us have really supported this company along the journey and have brought us to where we are today as one of the leading companies in India to represent international technology all around the world.
हाँ जी, भाई मैं इसके बारे में आपको क्या बताऊं कि जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ था 2000 में, उस समय एक 3 आदमियों के साथ इन्होंने काम स्टार्ट किया था, और आज ये देखता हूँ कि वही पौधा जो पिज़्ज़ा एक विशाल दरख्त पेड़ के माफक अनेक ब्रांचों के साथ हरा भरा हो गया है। इसके लिए मुझे ये अपनी ज़िंदगी में ये दिन देखने को मिले, और मैं इसके लिए बहुत दिल से दुआ करता हूँ कि ये दिन ब दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करते रहें। यही मेरी हार्दिक इच्छा है इनके साथ।
We thank all our principals who made this day possible, who trusted us with their products over the last 20 years almost, and also the vendors who have stuck with us to support our products and services in the market, and our colleagues without whom it would be impossible to see this day today. We thank each one of them from the bottom of our heart and hope that we work with them for many more years to come. Thank you.